As we come on the air tonight, the Tampa Bay area is under a hurricane and storm surge watch. Thanks for joining us for 10 Tampa Bay this weekend. I'm Miranda Parnell. Right now, we are keeping an eye on Tropical Storm Idalia, and we are your hurricane headquarters. So let's get right over to Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins with the latest. Bobby, I know you just got an update.
Yeah, we did. The 11 o'clock came in. 60-mile-per-hour winds. Well, I was showing you earlier this evening by 8:30, 9 o'clock, that burst of convection right there. That has allowed it to strengthen faster than what it was even forecast. We were thinking tomorrow afternoon, 65-mile-per-hour winds right there. It's at 60 already. There's a 3D look at it, and you can just see it bubbling up in the center, sitting right in here. So a lot of that convection is over the center as well, which means it's healthier as well. Now, here's the latest forecast track. So tomorrow afternoon, instead of 65-mile-per-hour winds, since it's already at 60, now goes to 80-mile-per-hour winds. Still a Category 1 hurricane, but Tuesday afternoon into the evening hours, now forecast to be a 110-mile-per-hour Category 2 hurricane. 111 is Cat 3, major hurricane. And the Hurricane Center says that's not out of the question because this water is very warm. The atmosphere out ahead of it and above it is actually conducive for development. Then landfall overnight, Tuesday night into Wednesday, mainly somewhere up near Chiefland. This will change a little bit. This has moved a little to the right during the day today. Not good for us. That would be with landfall close to basically 110, 115 mile per hour winds. It's a possibility. And then it skirts the southeast coast from, Savannah all the way up through Myrtle Beach into Wilmington and Morehead City as well. Now, for our neck of the woods, the purple. In fact, from Panama City all the way down to southern Sarasota County, these coastal counties are hurricane watch. 50 to 65 mile per hour winds right along the immediate coast. We could see some gusts a little bit higher than that. Tropical storm watch for inland locations, obviously less wind the further you go. Tropical storm surge watch. And I think, guys, this is most likely going to be the worst part of this storm. If you went through Ada in 2020, take this seriously. Look at all the forecast models up here towards the Big Bend. We do not want it coming to the right. Not for the Tampa Bay area. We're going to get enough surge as it is. If it comes further to the right, it's going to put the higher winds closer to us. And that's almost the worst case scenario for us. But at this point, we think it goes just a little bit towards the west. Surge, again, will be a major issue. They will start evacuations because of this tomorrow. Looks like school will be closed Tuesday and Wednesday because we use schools as those shelters. There's the risk for seeing tropical storm force winds along the immediate coast, 60 to 70, almost 75% chance. Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning will be the worst. Tuesday night, Wednesday morning will be the worst. Tomorrow's a great day to get your preps finalized, especially by sunset. I do have afternoon showers and storms, and it will be hot, but those rain showers will help us cool off just a little bit after about 2 to 3 o'clock.